Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get Aspiration account statement online. If you don't have an Aspiration account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and receive a welcome bonus of up to $300. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your avatar icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the avatar icon. Then an option for settings will appear. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Statements and Documents. Beside it, you will see an option for Aspiration Statements and Documents. Click on Aspiration Statements and Documents. Now, you will see the list of available account statements. Click on the particular statement you wish to get. Then it will be automatically downloaded, and you will be able to view the selected statement. That's how you get Aspiration account statement online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.